So I run into this common problem where I'm cleaning the fridge, I'm cleaning the cupboards, I find vegetables, fruits that I don't want to use them right away. And I'll come across maybe like a can of beans and I'm like, well, I don't want to just have it like that. I think of it as an opportunity to make it exciting. So today we're going to be making an octopus bean salad. Let's get started.
First off is our mirepoix, which is equal parts onions to celery and carrots. I put a little bit of bay leaf in mine. I'm going to be dunking the octopus 3 times in order for the tentacles to curl up before submerging it. This will maximize tenderness. While the octopus is boiling away for 30 or so minutes, I'm going to be draining my can of beans to get rid of any excess nasty bean water. Moving on to my citrus vinaigrette using oranges, lemons, and limes, as well as the juice, extra virgin olive oil, and cherry vinegar to keep it in theme. During my days off, I usually do a little extra mise en place. I'm making some garlic confit, and I'm going to infuse them with some stale bread to make some crunchy croutons. Once the octopus is cooked, we're going to be removing that slimy part of the skin to keep the presentation nice and clean before grilling. Alongside with the beans and octopus, I'm going to be accompanying it with a refreshing salad with a little bit of cilantro and parsley to garnish. With our homemade vinaigrette, I'm going to be adding black olives and capers to elevate this humble dish to the next level. A key lesson I've learned throughout my career is to always taste the food every step of the way, season accordingly in order to get the desired results.
And there you have it, the grilled octopus bean salad, bit of panzanella style with the tomatoes, cucumbers, and croutons. If you enjoyed the recipe, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to see more. Bon appetit!